Okay, now we move to the next topic. The name is keyboard और mouse. तो कीबोर्ड की हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पर. Keyboard और here is mouse. If we talk about the keyboard and mouse, अगर मार्केट की हम बात करें तो keyboard and mouse both are क्या है, is a type of the input device. Both are input devices है first. After that, if we talk about this one, both are available in market, both wired and wireless. Okay. Wired means कि connection between keyboard or mouse to the keyboard to the CPU. Okay, कि mouse और keyboard और mouse का connection CPU से होगा with wired, and wireless means without wire. Okay, इस तरीके से connected होंगे. ठीक है. तो if we talk about the keyboard, तो keyboard में हम basically we discuss the these are the things कि like that कि keyboard की बात करें तो keyboard में basically some doubts था आपको क्या नाम है basically function की और नेविगेशन की. ओके, तो मैं इस डाउट से पहले आता हूँ. फंक्शन की का बेसिकली मतलब है यहाँ पर वी टॉक अबाउट द फंक्शन की f1 f2 f3 ओके टू f10. दीज आर द फंक्शन की विच आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द कीबोर्ड. अब टॉप ऑफ द कीबोर्ड की अगर हम बात करें तो फंक्शन की अपनी कुछ फंक्शन की है सम स्पेशल टास्क लाइक दैट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द f1, तो f1 मींस बेसिकली व्हाट फॉर द हेल्प. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द f2 फॉर रीनेम. If you want to rename the particular file, suppose that this one is file, okay, or name is ABC. If you want to rename this, just press select with the help of mouse, or after that click it, or just after clicking automatically this blank boxes it will come, or after that you will type the rename name. Rename, you can rename the particular file. Okay. If you talk about the function key F5, okay, तो function key F5 the working basically the work of the function key F5 is executing the file. Executing the file. Executing the file means simple that when we are making the C++, Java and other programs, okay, so directly the compilation on interpreter. Basically, software in the chapter of the software we know that the things related to whatever the work of compiler or interpreter. So compiler or work interpreter behalf of the basically the key is F5. Okay. So there are a lot of the functional key or there are special work this in the function key. One more work like that. हमने आपको बताया था कि Alt plus F4. If we using the Alt plus F4, तो वन बाई वन जितनी भी विंडोज के नाम है वन बाई वन जो भी विंडोज होंगी आपके सामने जो ओपन होंगी वो क्लोज होना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी और फाइनली क्या नाम है वी कम्स टू द डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन. ओके, तो आफ्टर दैट नरेशन की मीन्स की सपोज दैट दिस वन डॉक्यूमेंट. Okay, this one is a document, or if you want to suppose that these are some lines. Okay, and if you want to move to the upside, okay, तो means की up arrow की. If you want to do downside तो down arrow की. Okay, then shift is left and right. Okay, these are the called the navigation key. After that some more keyword is there. Page down. Page down simply means कि suppose that you are presenting the one portion top of the bottom top of the pages, or if you want to move it the downside तो directly come to the when you press this button directly come to the downside. Okay, उसके बाद and home key. Home key means कि suppose that you are present end of the line, or if you press the home key option directly the pointer will come in this position. Same thing end key ki suppose that if you are present in the beginning of the particular line, or if you press the end key. तो end key means कि directly you have to move from one place to another place. Directly you have to move to the one place to another place. Okay, some different types key also is there. I think the doubts in these one the section so I discuss it. Okay. So there are different types of the shift key, control key, combinations of key or shortcut key also. Okay, तो like the shortcut key means कि if you are using the control plus A तो entire document you can select at one time. Okay, control plus A, control plus C, control plus C, copy the document. Okay, and this one is selection. Control plus B, paste. Okay, these are some different type of the shortcut key normally we are using when you are making the document, when you are writing something in the documents. Okay, after that we come to the next point is mouse. Okay, so if we If we talk about the structure of the mouse, so the structure of the mouse is like that. Okay, this one is wired connection, or after that suppose this type here is one wheel. Okay, और तो there are two types of the basically wired. यहाँ भी मैंने बात करी कि wired mouse and wireless. Okay, अब if we talk about the structure, कि this one is left click और this is right click. Okay, so what happened there are three types of the mouse basically available into the market. Okay, very first type of the mouse is called as mechanical mouse. Okay, after that optical mouse, optomechanical mouse, or then optical mouse. Okay, so if we take out the mechanical mouse, in mechanical mouse what happened here is the rubber ball. Okay, or basically whatever the mouse क्या है is a type of the pointing device. Mouse is a type of the pointing device. Pointing device means कि when you keep the mouse is here, or after that when you move, okay, so the pointer, whatever the pointer comes to the different section of the particular documents or the desktop screen also. Okay, whatever the work of the mouse, we can change the property of the, we can open whatever the working, we can create the files, folders, and check the property of the particular files and folders also. Okay, it is the working of the mouse. So when you left click it, जैसे आप left click करेंगे, okay, then we can open the files and we can select the files and select the file selection के लिए, and right click option is opening the file and folder, and then checking the properties of the files and folder. Properties means simple, you can check it what is the size of the particular file, what is the name of the file, and how much capacity of the particular file, extension of the file also. So these are the property of the mouse. Okay, तो बेसिकली कि हाउ द माउस विल वर्क, अगर माउस किस तरीके से वर्क करता है हम ये समझने की कोशिश करें तो माउस में क्या है, इन मैकेनिकल माउस हियर इज द रबर बॉल. ओके, तो वेन एवर यू प्रेस द माउस इन दिस वे और आफ्टर दैट यू व्हेन यू वांट टू मूव, okay, so then the rubber ball whatever the rubber ball is, it is moving automatically on behalf of these when the mouse is moving. Okay, mouse point, rubber ball. Okay, on behalf of this one this mouse is working. Okay, so here the mechanical sensor is here. Sensor means ki when you tell when this rubber ball is working, okay, तो mechanical sensor is here, mechanical sensor. लाइक दैट कि सिंपली हम कहेंगे अगर ये मैकेनिकल सेंसर मींस जैसे से रबर की बॉल मूव करेगी, ये सेंसर्स क्या करेंगे, क्या नाम है, पॉइंट करेंगे, क्या नाम है कि हम माउस की किस पोजीशन पर, हम अपने डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन की किस पोजीशन पर यहाँ पर हैं. उसके बाद ऑप्टिकल मैकेनिकल माउस की बात, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द ऑप्टिकल मैकेनिकल माउस, हियर इज द ऑप्टिकल सेंसर्स इज हियर, ऑप्टिकल सेंसर. ओके, ऑप्टिकल सेंसर हियर ऑप्टिकल सेंसर मींस कि वन टाइप्स ऑफ द बीम्स इज हियर. Okay, and beams means ki lightning is here, and when you using this type of the mouse, basically we need to keep it some keypad. Okay, after that the keypad where there are the rough surface. Okay, when keeping the mouse is here, after that this movement will possible. And lastly we will come to the optical mechanical mouse, basically the wireless technology, or now the mouse wireless or wired both, and the mouse we are here using the radio waves. Okay, so basically the sensor is here also कि radio waves means कि if you taking the any surface, यहाँ पर there is no need to the particular surfaces is here, in any surfaces just you keep the mouse. Okay, or these technology means radio waves, behalf of the radio waves it will be working. Okay, so this is the simple working of the mouse. So whatever the simple mouse is there, the mouse is a type of the pointing device. With the help of this device, we can select the file, okay, create the folders, okay, and view the properties in the files and folder. Basically, two types of the mouse is here. First one is two types of the mouse, wired and wireless. So it is the category ki in the very first time the mechanical mouse will come to the market. After that, optical mechanical mouse and optomechanical mouse. Okay, and lastly, optical mouse will come. Okay, so behalf of this one, the mouse will work.